Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for another unboxing here. We have the Matchbox The Movie 5-packs, guys. Picked these up from Diecast. Didn't even know they were a thing, but check out the awesome cars. That white one right there, 997 GT3. Awesome car. We're gonna get these all unboxed, throw them up on the turntable for you, so stick with us. All right, guys, so you can see here, starting off with the black Polaris Ranger up there. We got a 993 Porsche GT3, a 69 Camaro, and this one has some rash on the side, so it must get in some accidents, get beat up pretty good in the movie. And then check out that black Dodge Durango. That's a nice color for that casting. And then a gold Toyota Tacoma. So let's get these things open and take a peek at them. Alright, starting off with the Polaris Ranger, I believe. Razor, sorry. It's a Polaris Razor because it's the two-seater. But yeah, that looks good in all black. We've made a couple of these different ones into keychains. They do pretty well. Let's spin that one while we take a look at the next guy here. So, this is my favorite of the 5-pack, guys. You know, I'm a big Porsche fan, and it doesn't get much better than just a straight up white with the black top there. They've had this casting around for a while. They've done it in more of a beige color here a couple of years ago, done it in red. But yeah, just a cool casting there for the 911. Can't wait to see this movie. I definitely want to see that GT3 in the movie. Hopefully it has some good screen time. All right, next up, guys, the Camaro. Why don't we move this off to the side so you guys can see that while we're doing that. There we go. A little better. So the Camaro, it's a 69 Camaro, and the actual main lines have this car included without the rash on the sides, so don't worry if you want one that looks better. They have that as well. You can check out that video. I already did a video on a whole unboxing of the Matchbox The Movie main lines and the moving parts series. So 69 Camaro. But yeah, it's got some good detail to it. You can see the tail lights there and the nice white graphics on the side. I really dig this casting. It's definitely a nice one. All right, next up, guys, is the Dodge Durango. And that is the color that we need, guys. That black. It's got some nice headlight detail there, the Dodge logo, the black wheel choice. It's kind of got a sparkle to that black paint. It even has a hitch there, guys. A big bulky hitch, but so it says it's a 2018 Durango. But yeah, this one should make for a good keychain. Can't go wrong with black. All right, guys, last up out of this 5-pack is the Toyota Tacoma. It's got a little grill guard here in the front on that. And then it's got the rack back here. Roll bar rack, whatever you want to call it. We might try and pull that out when we make it a keychain. Might sell a little better without that, I think. But not bad. Not a great color choice, but I'm sure that's the color it was in the movie. But I think that might come out. We'll see. See if we can get this out easily. It's pretty flimsy plastic, so. All right, guys, before I leave you, I've got one more thing we're just going to take a look at. I just picked this up. I found the new Pantone complete set. Got this from Barnes & Noble. So, I don't know if you guys have come across these in the singles yet. I picked all of them up in the singles at Target, and I ordered a case. So, didn't really need this one, but it looks pretty cool when you have them all together. So, got this at the Barnes & Noble, like I said. So if you guys have been looking for these, hit up your Barnes & Noble. They probably have some in stock. All right, guys, that's it for this quick 5-pack unboxing of Matchbox The Movie. Can't wait for the movie to come out this fall here. It'll be on Apple. It's going to be streaming only, not in the theaters. So if you're not subscribed to Apple, you might have to at least get a subscription for a month or so. I think it's in October when they're going to release this. So, but let me know what your favorite is, guys. You know mine, the 911 GT3. And then it's tough to decide what my second favorite is. I really like the Camaro. Always a fan of Tacomas. It's probably between the Camaro and that Durango. The Durango is just a nice color combo and a nice casting. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.